Welcome to the channel. Do you guys see all of this beautiful pinkness in your screen? This is my back area, guys. I'm going to show you a quick little view of what I did to this space for Christmas. My Christmas little situation, guys. This little tree is something that I just made out of, I used some regular ribbon. It really has a base, guys. I'm trying to show you the base and I don't think I can really show the base, but it's just a base, a little block piece of wood, and I just tied these little pieces of ribbon around it just to zhuzh it up, because I think this little ribbon, guys, is so adorable. Now I have this little this little cocoa station area next to my refrigerator. Guys, this tree right here is something that I made last year. I made this tree by combining two Dollar Tree trees, and last year the trees were $1. Okay, so I sprayed the magenta on the bottom, I put the lighter pink on the top, and guys, this tree was green. So as you can see, she is two-tone pink. I love the two-tone type of pink, guys. So that is why I did that. And I did that last year, not even knowing that I would later on have a bag space. So I wanted to show you this tree because this is basically where it all started for me. Like I said, guys, this is the tree that I had last year. This area, if you have seen my video of the tour of the back space, then you will know all about this. I did not add any other Christmas things to this space. I just added the tree, these two little trees right here. And guys, we're gonna move on down so I can show you what I did. I did add faux snow, which is nothing more than polyester cotton stuffing that I put here, guys, to resemble snow. I think it's a little look. I think it's a vibe. I put these little nutcrackers, guys, and these are ornaments that you would put on a tree, but because my space is not the biggest, and I want this is basically the back part of the backdrop when I am filming in this space. So I definitely thought that it was a little vibe. So that is what I have going on this top shelf. On the second shelf, I added the same thing with these little whimsical brush little small trees. I really don't remember where I got these little small trees. I believe they either came from the dollar store or Home Goods. So this is what I did in this little space. Only on these two shelves is where I added the Christmas little touch. Next, guys, are you ready? Are you ready for the piece of rosy stones? Do you see me slowly approaching this situation? Now take a look. Do you see this girl in your screen? I absolutely adore this tree situation setup for me. Now, like I said in my shorts, guys, it may not be your cup of tea, but she is definitely a little looky look for me. I think this is just so freaking adorable. Guys, I want to tell you in detail what I did and what is going on. This tree is a pencil tree. Like, I want to say that first. She's a pencil tree. So, because she's a pencil tree, she's very slim and slender. I ordered this tree, guys, from Amazon. I put feather boas inside of the tree. I got the feather boas, guys, from the Dollar Tree. If you've seen the video that I did of DIY Christmas ornaments, this is one of the hearts, guys, that I showed you in my DIY. These Barbie heads also came from Dollar Tree. guys, these beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, curly situations right here. Girls and gents, this is nothing more than um I'm lost for words almost. This is nothing more than the ribbon that you put on your different gifts. But girls, do you see this beautiful, and when I say beautiful, texture and color? I had to add those little curly situations into the tree because I just thought that they were a total vibe. They were so cute to me. I think that this little tree is just so adorable. And that is why I had to have this situation in this space, because guys, this space is not the biggest. So using a pencil tree was a great idea for me. Now, maybe your space may be a little bit bigger and wider and you have more room. So I worked with what I have. Guys, and as you can see, I just added bags down here. I thought it was a cute little touch and a cute little vibe. So that's why I put them. I am definitely a person that believes different strokes are for different folks. So it works for me. It may not work for you. You may say, oh, that's too much. You don't like it. And I'm here for that as well, because we all are able to express ourselves in our own decorating. Now, guys, this tree, if you did see or have saw, this tree is the tree that I had last year when I first came on to these YouTube streets. And I wanted to, I added her, I brought her back just because she's cute. I think that she's cute. But for me, it is for me to see this is what I had last year. And this beautiful pink vibe over here is what I have graduated to this year. So, girls, I think it is a total vibe. It is a total look for me. And that means I have 3 trees in this space. One that is small, one that I made. Well, the white tree and the pink and the two-tone pink tree, guys, I DIY'd both of these trees. This tree right here is actually 2 trees that I put together to make that one. But in this space, I do have 3 different size trees that I totally like, and I think that they're a vibe. Guys, these little gnomes are from last year as well. This is one of the presents. If you saw the Pink Miss haul that I did, you would know about that. Guys, I also put the faux snow situation over here in this area as well. I absolutely think it is so cute. If you saw one of the videos that I had as well, you will know about this beautiful tree. I think it is amazing. It is an added cute piece in this space. These nutcrackers are from Home Goods. The tree is from Home Sense. This little tree right here, guys, that is from Home Goods as well. You see the Juicy Couture little wallet. Yes. Is she giving in the corner? And this adorable soft pink pastel gingerbread house. Guys, this was from Home Goods as well. And this adorable Christmas tree with the pink and the gold is a total vibe. This is another nutcracker, guys, that I did get from Home Goods. And if you see, I have these ornaments. I put these different ornaments, guys, on the whole run of this shelf because I thought it gave it an extra little touch for Christmas in this space. And each one is a little different from the other one. Every other one has a bow and the feather and the pearl on it. Girls, I think that is a total vibe. I think it is cute. So that is why your girl being me, that is why I did it. So if you can see, you see the whole row of the different ornaments that I have here. I put this, look, the small nutcrackers, I added them to this space as well. to go in between my bags. And I do have this little Christmas tree that is just a shape. I have that there as well. Guys, I added nutcrackers in the display of the bags as well. I thought it was oh so cute, so I put them, and then I put this piece of feather boa right here on the front. And guys, ladies and gents, that is all that I have done to this space for this year for my zhuzhing up this space for Christmas, walking into this space for me every day is just a total vibe. I absolutely think it works for me. Now, it may not work for everyone, but it works for me because, like I said, guys, the space is not so big. But like I'm saying, undoubtedly it works for me. I enjoy looking at this and seeing it here in all of its pinkness. And so if you were here for it and you enjoyed looking at these trees and you think it's a vibe, give your girl a little likey like. Give me a thumbs up if you see my little mugs down there. It is a whole vibe for me. So like I said, if you stuck around and you're new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button so you too can be a part of the fam. Girls, I undoubtedly think it is a vibe and it is a look. I am here for the Barbie. I am here for the Barbie. So if you are too, give your girl a little like. Tell a friend and tell a friend about all the cuteness that we have going on over here. And check out some of those past videos so you too can know all of the ins and out and the goings ons over here. Until the next time, ladies, bye for now.